mas madami pa siyang magiging development sa future. So, yun yung kailangan abangan.
So hi everyone. So currently we are here in Alviera and I would just like to ask a testimony from our clients kung how was that turnover, kumbaga ano yung experience mo from before when you purchase hanggang sa na-turnover sa inyo yung property.
Very smooth lang yung pag-turnover. Actually, kahit yung pag-acquire ng property, very fast and very helpful si Sir Arjun sa pag-process nung lahat from the start to finish, sa pag-process sa bank, sa Avida, siya na lahat yung nag-asikaso nun. So, siya lang yung kailangan mong kontakin. And then, until sa turnover, sinamahan niya kami dito kahit malayo. Kahit saan naman siya, di ba? Kahit saan meron. Yun. So, if you need properties, just contact Arjun.
Yan. Thank you very much. And how was the development? Kumbaga, how would you describe it from the day nung last na na-visit nyo to versus now? Kasi nabagay nyo kanina na yung last visit nyo here was yung day na viewing natin. Tapos di na kayo nakabalik.
Kailan yun?
2023. So almost 3 years ago. Yeah. Ano yung main difference?
Malaki na yung development. Mukha na talaga siyang subdivision. Livable na siya. Kasi nung nag-viewing kami, pa lang, as in blank siya, no?
Yeah.
Brown lang yung nakikita namin na lupain. Isang malaking lupain lang siya. Pero now, malaki na yung developments. May mga bahay na around.
Yeah.
Pero I think mas madami pa siyang magiging development sa future. So, yun yung kailangan abangan.
And so, thank you very much. So, that's all for today. And I would like to thank your dear clients for the trust. And of course, syempre, after this, nandun pa rin yung services all throughout. So, again, this is Arjun Zhang, your real estate agent.